Step E. Take off all cutting tools from head modules. Remove the dust from the machine head. Spray the oil onto a cloth and clean up the cutting head. Step R. Remove the dust from the cutting beam. Spray the oil onto a cloth and clean up the cutting beam. Lay a fabric on the machine table to prevent the falling of oil stain. Spray anti-rust lubricating oil on the guide rail. Use a clean cloth to wipe the rust on the guide rail. Apply lubricating grease to maintain rack lubricated. Repeat to move machine head left to right. Helps the lubrication of guide rail and rack. Step 3. Remove the dust from the two sides of machine. Spray anti-rust lubricating oil on the guide rail. Use a clean cloth to wipe off oil and dirt on the guide rail. Use a clean cloth to wipe off oil and dirt on the guide rail. Apply lubricating grease to maintain rack lubricated. Repeat to move machine beam back and forth. Helps the lubrication of guide rail and rack. Step 4. Remove the net plate from projector. Use air gun to blow away the dust from the net plate. Step 5. Use air gun to blow away dust from cutting mat and machine vacuum table. Until now, the care and maintenance of CNC cutting machine is done.